This is the Takani electric pit bike. So say goodbye to this.
And say hello to a 48-volt motor with a peak power output of 1800 watts. Let's ride this thing.
Whoa, hey talkie. Should I try a wheelie? Alright, we're gonna do some street riding now. Road riding. Maximum success. Sliding out, bro. My brakes are going crazy. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Crap. Let's lift her up. Well, oh no. Bend the wheel back a little bit. At least now we know how durable it is. Not a single problem with her now. Now I'm going to ride the thing how it's meant to be ridden. Off-road. Wait a minute. Should I try a jump? Camera's making it look very small, but this jump is actually decent sized. I think I'm gonna try it. I have to try it, come on. I'm just gonna send it. Alright, we're sending the jump. Let's go. My seat! Oh, my seat! My seat just came off. What the heck? Okay, that was very sketchy. Well guys, that was the Takani electric pit bike. Make sure to like and subscribe.